Alright guys, these plants were abandoned at some house, and I'm going to try to bring them back to life. Hopefully I can. And this one's badly damaged. You can see how it looks. It looks ugly. But I'm going to try to bring them back to life. I'm going to take care of it and give it to some life again, you know? But those are my birdies on my balcony when I'm just looking at me. That one's name is Jeffrey. The other one's name is Bob. This one's name is, what's that one's name, guys?
Jimmy.
Jimmy. This one's Jimmy. And we have one more to name, guys. What's the other one's name?
I don't know.
Huh?
I do not.
But anyways, guys, let me show you my other flowers and plants that I have in the front. Alright guys, these are the plants that I have in the front of my apartment. And this one's a beautiful one. Such a beautiful color. And then I have this one as well. And then I have two little small ones. They're tiny. I just watered them just a minute ago. But so beautiful. And then that one. And I had this little thing that I got from church, but unfortunately it broke. I'm gonna have to super glue it again together. My big son, he just got done watering my plants for me out here. And we're gonna try to bring them back to life and make them pretty again.